in today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate web scraping here in Google Sheets. So in the previous video, we've already done web scraping with the same function, which is IMPORTXML. For this video, we're just going to try and automate that, where if I try and put in a car company name right here, the corresponding stock price would appear right here. And you'll already see here at the top here in the formula bar, the formula that we did to be able to get this data right here. So let me show you how I did that. I'm just going to erase this right here. Let's start over. We're going to start with the equal sign, type in import, then select import XML right here. So our formula or syntax for this one would be our URL and our XPath query. So let's start with our URL. So I'm going to jump to that website, which is Yahoo Finance, where we got our stock price from. Here we have it. I'm just going to the address bar here at the top, copy that, go back to our sheet, paste it. Now make sure these are in quotation marks, double quotation marks. There we go, and comma. So the next part would be our XPath query. Now for this one, what we're going to do is to go back to that website where we got our URL. Now this is the data that we want to appear in our spreadsheet. And what we're going to do to have that XPath query would be to right click on it and select inspect. That action would open all the codes here on our right side. And you'll see that this one right here, the one highlighted, represents the data that we need from this website. So this is the XPath query that we're going to copy and paste in our formula. So go ahead and just right click on that. And you'll see these options where we can copy. And at the bottom, we will be copying the full XPath. If you click on that, we are now going to go back to our spreadsheet. And here again, in quotations, we're going to paste that full XPath. Quotation, paste, closing quotation marks, then close off your formula with the closing parentheses and press enter. And there you have it. That's how we got the stock price from Yahoo Finance, which is the stock price for this company right here. Now, how do we make sure that whatever company we put in here would have the corresponding stock price in this space? Well, right now, if we try and change this to, let's say, Ford, nothing changes because this formula is hard-coded. It doesn't change anything unless we try and change our formula. What we're going to do is to change this one right here. So we're going to delete right up to this part where it says quote / and quotation marks. After the quotation marks, we're going to add the and sign, then the cell reference for this one right here. So that's H3. If we put that right here, H3, press enter. Now we have the corresponding stock price for this car company right here. So if I try and change this into TM, which is Toyota, press enter. Now we also have the corresponding stock price for that car company. And there you have it. So we are able to automate web scraping from Yahoo Finance with that simple change in our formula. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.